Hi, are you ready to take your trading journey to the next level? If so, you're in the right place. My name is Tomek and I'm full-time trader and trading mentor at Nikos Trading Academy, and I'm excited to invite you to join me for a free online workshop where I will decode price action for you. Now, you might be wondering why it's so crucial for successful trading? Well, let me tell you. Any strategy is useless long term if you don't understand where you trade or you trade where is no volatility. That's why it's so important to understand price movement and price direction, because then you'll trade smarter and you will be more relaxed while checking your charts. So let me explain you exactly what you will learn during this workshop.
As you can see here, it's my workshop plan, and I will focus on the four parts. And the first part is the technical part. Definitely, this will be for you if you are not familiar with my template and my approach. So I will explain you exactly what indicators I use. Basically, I use only two: Heikin-Ashi indicator, which smoother chart, and it's much easier to see volatility. I also use two exponential moving averages, and basically that's all. I don't use any other indicators. Those indicators helping me out to figure it out if I want to buy or sell. But of course, I will explain everything with details. This will be this will be short part of our workshop because the most important part is the second, is our top-down approach. Why this is important? Because I want that you understand how important it is to look for bigger time frames. Why? Because this bigger picture which I want to show you is defining market conditions on the lower time frames also. So my thing is that I want to teach you to pay attention for different time frames and start to make analysis from I at least do it from weekly, daily, then we go to 4 hour chart and 1 hour chart. Of course, if you trade on the 1 minute or 5 minute, you not necessarily have to go to the weekly chart anyway. If you always start approach from the higher time frame, this will give you the huge advantage. Why? Because trends are building on the higher time frames, not on lower time frames. So if we have good market conditions there, like on the daily chart, let's say, or 4 hour chart, it's much easier to trade on the lower time frames, like 5 minute or 15-minute chart. So I will of course focus mainly on this approach, because this helps me to define if market is in the trend, is in the range, or maybe there is no volatility and we are waiting for something. With this approach, I combine, of course, price action tools, which are support resistance levels, trend lines, and of course, I will also explain you about the ranges, how to define them, how to spot them. And those are still very powerful levels, tools, if you use them correctly and you use them on the right time frame. Because if you draw a trend line on the 5 or 15-minute chart, it will be not so powerful, like for example trend line from the daily and the 4 hour time frame. And this is where I also would like to show you how to spot those key levels where price might do react and make continuations or possible bounces. And then of course I will put everything together and I will show you how I do top-down approach step by step in my daily trading. So I will apply all the rules to define market conditions, and I will also show you how to identify high quality trading charts. So we'll try to cover those, and also we'll try to find the charts which are not good to trade and explain you why. And of course there will be time for questions and answers. Of course, I plan to make this workshop in 1 or at least 1.5 hour maximum, and it will be at 21st of May at 7 p.m. London time. I will do everything directly on the charts. As you can see here, this is my template, Heikin-Ashi with two moving average. So we will go directly to the charts. It will be no presentation, so I will explain everything live. Also, I will analyze some examples of your charts if you like. So if you are interested, below this video, you have to just fill up your name, your email, and accept, of course, privacy and policies maintenance, and then you join. You click join, and you should receive welcome email. If you have any problems or you still have any questions, just contact me using this email address, and I will be happy to help you. So. I hope you are excited like I am about this workshop. So I really invite you to join this. You will not regret. You will see how trading can be simple if you do it in the right way. And this is my goal, to show you how easy it is to read the chart, and when to trade and when to wait. So thanks again, and we see you soon. Bye.